This is Team Living Dead duo with the scarefactor.com, and we are here at Deranged Acres in Mount Olive, North Carolina.
What started as a home haunt 4 years ago morphed into a full-fledged haunt 2 years ago, and wow, they're doing a fantastic job out here. The cast is amazing.
They have only been at this property for a single year, and it is absolutely phenomenal inside. So let's go inside and get some scares.
Yeah. Could it be Satan?
Yeah. What? Here. Yeah. Okay.
Hey!
Do me a favor and back up for me.
Oh, I gotta back up.
Oh.
That way.
This way.
Oh.
We're going back. Perfect. We're going back. Now you guys have to earn your freedom from this room, understand?
Okay.
Alright. Which one, Master?
Let's get them along here.
Right there for me, my dear. Now to earn your freedom, you must dance for the Master.
And make it a good
I
one.
must dance for the master.
Yes.
You want me to thrash or?
Wherever you pick, little jester.
Come on, don't be shy. There we go. What do you think, Master? Did it please you?
No.
Not good.
Rocks.
Since you guys failed,
We're
miserably,
stuck.
You're gonna have to go in the cage next door.
Ah,
Great.
Got
awesome.
an extra small one just for you. Think you're that way, we are in hell.
We might have some spikes in there.
I just escaped from one.
Don't keep them waiting now.
All right.
Don't be shy.
Oh, hell yeah. This is good.
Welcome, sinners!
Yeah.
Which one wants to get in the cage?
She's crazy!
Don't listen to her, she's in there for a
She's
reason.
crazy!
You want to get in there?
I'm supposed to be in
Or
there.
you want to get...
Yeah.
Come on, let's see you get in there with her. Scoot over. Now.
You too.
All right. How does she look? Yes. Now get out. Get out of my cage.
I guess I liked it too much.
Come on. Let's go. Go with me.
Please get me out of here! I don't belong in here! She's really hungry and please leave me
I don't know.
Go in without me, please!
Hey! Oh, they must be speaking Cajun.
You don't know where you're going, do you?
No!
I'll figure it out. You even got a fancy light. You should be able to figure it out. Hey, that's a drive-through window when you go in a cookout.
Oh, yep. I want me a heat toffee shake.
Going the wrong way.
Hey, I like your hair. We didn't get the perm done.
You are?
You got a perm? You got a perm. Oh. All right, get in my locker. Somebody's got to get in the locker and I'll open it.
You gotta get
Get in the locker. Oh, man.
Wow. You listen to me, dummy. We label the door. I'm going to teach you how a door works. Your mama never taught you how a door works. All right.
Hey!
You're not that right. You're not door works. You're not that right.
There we go.
You're not door.
See if they can fix
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Come on.
We're following
Which
you.
way is it? No, not there. You're there.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, and execution.
I'll tell you, I didn't do it, man. Please, you gotta give it. Those people back there, they fresh me, man. I'll do this, please, y'all gotta give it.
Didn't your mama teach you not to touch what's not yours?
Man, I break the rules all the time.
I feel so bad for your mama.
I was born on vacation.
You gotta put up with this.
I do, all the time.
They should give you another paycheck. You take a look and see my snack
Oh, man.
and my partner,
Some
Dr.
vittles.
K. Anybody from the 90s knows who Dr. K is. Off to the incinerator with you.
Great. Oh,
I like what you've done with the place.
You like French fry taters?
Yes, sir.
Well, that's too bad. It ain't got no gas in it, and that tater ain't done.
oh,
Yeah, you got a pretty mouth.
thank you.
Like my son?
We do.
Voices in my head, they told me to kill him. And now he's dead.
Oh.
Hail Satan!
Hey! I guess we got to go through here. Maybe not.
Wrong way.
We go
Wrong way.
Try it and see what happens.
We go this way. Wrong. No.
Did you come here on the short bus?
I did.
There you go.
Fresh meat!
Bye bye.
Woo!
Welcome! We've been waiting for y'all. We love
Yeah.
fresh meat. Oh, y'all smell
Goodness,
delicious.
I stepped on a hand.
Pick it up.
Stop.
Pick it up.
Okay.
You can have it.
Oh.
No, I'm kidding. I gotta have it back. Thank you. Would y'all like a finger?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, let me dip my plug right quick. There you go. You gonna eat it? You gotta eat it.
You gotta eat it.
We got to eat the finger.
Yeah, you gotta eat it.
Put it all over your mouth.
Me and Leroy been waiting for y'all.
That's a hot dog.
Ah, the wiener.
Did you eat the finger?
Yeah, man.
No, he ain't eat it. He lying, Leroy.
Why didn't you eat it? It's tasty.
Hey, look, we gonna take his legs.
His?
Yeah, you can have them.
We'll put you on the wall.
Yep.
Oh, we gonna put him right beside Steve.
Like a nice decor.
Yeah, you going right
And that
beside
thing
Steve.
ain't stuck. Go that way.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Oh!
Oh, it's vibrating.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you like my worm?
We love them.
Oh, you
They're
do?
very colorful.
Do you want to touch it? How are you having fun?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
You wanna stay in here? There's a party next door.
Yeah, let's do
Go to
it.
the party.
Yeah.
Come on then, right this way. Girl. Mm-hmm. Right on in there.
Yeah.
We like it in here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You got any cotton candy? No cotton candy?
Not for you.
Oh, man. Hey. Woo. Woo. No. Ah. She's scared.
Now you better hurry up. They're ready for you.
Oh,
Why
Oh, goodness.
I told you!
Stay here and get buried alive.
yeah, man. Where are the zombies?
Okay. Well, there's it. Y'all have their good night now. Now you better hurry up before they come back out.
You're the second best clown I've ever met.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, great.
Not too soon, man.